Okay, what's up, guys? GM19 here with Madden Mobile 7, just about 75,000 coin pack opening. I opened all 5 of my premium packs, and I got 2 elites out of them, and a team of the week, which was really nice. And so yeah, let's open some packs. First pro pack of the pack opening. Sherry's right. That's not what I want. I think I'm blocking the microphone on this. Okay, come on. Next pack. Oh, Justin Blaylock. Not good. Not good at all. Come on. Mark Barron. Ugh. So bad. Mark Barron's my best player. Oh, Chris Borland, 85 overall football outsider, middle linebacker. That's nice to get. An elite Anthony Davis. Let's go. First elite of the pack opening. Let's see the stats. 90 pass block, 93 run block, 86 impact block, 91 strength, 89 overall elite. That is nice. That's my 3rd elite today. Wait, 4th actually. Mike Adams out of that pack. Real again, it worked last time. Ah. Nothing again. Come on, 22,000 left. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay! Morgan Burnett. 2 packs. One last pack of the pack opening. Riley Reef. We were actually... Wait, hold on. I think I can just sell like a collectible or something. Get there. Quick sell this because I don't need it anymore. Because I already did that collection. Last pack. Come on. Oh, Riley Cooper. That's it for this episode.